English version mathematics class 5 chapter 9 number 3. There are 500 students in a school. The head teacher want to take everybody in a picnic. The pie chart following below show how many students wish to go 3 places: the zoo, children park and the museum. Then we see the pie chart. 12% students want to go museum, zoo, and 55% want to go children park, and 33% want to go museum. Then number A, how many children are willingly go to zoo? We know that zoo 12%. 12% of students want to go zoo. In this percent, we already learned that percent means in every 100. That means 12% means 12 students in 100. That means in total students 500. So in 100, 12%, then 500, 12, 5, multiple by 5, 12 into 5, equal to 60 students. But we need to prove this in mathematical. 100 to 12 students. 100 students and 500 students. 12 into 500 by 100. 12 to 5 equal to 60 students. And number B, how many students are willingly going to children park? That means how many percent? 55%. Then 55 means 100 in 55. And so you can write in 100 students, then 55 students going to park. So 1 students 55 by 100, and 500 students 55 into 500 by 100. Means 55 into 5 equal to how much? 275. Number B. And number C, willingly museum. In museum 33%. That means in 100 students 33 students going to museum, and 1 students 33 by 100, and 500 students 133 into 500. That means we can write 33 into 5 equal to 165 students. Okay, this is 165, 275 and 60 students. Thank you.